So let's just see how we can traverse the circular singly linked list. So traversing means visiting each node of the list exactly once. So because in case of circular linked list, the last node is pointing back to the first node and it creates the circle. So in case of traversal, this can easily create the risk of the infinite loop. So because of this, we have to handle the traversal properly. So to traverse the list, we're going to use one temporary pointer which will initially point to the head, and then we're going to use one loop and we're going to move this pointer to the next node in each iteration, and we're going to continue this loop as long as the temporary pointer does not become equal to the head node. So if we get back to the head node, that means we have traversed the whole list. So in that case, we're going to stop the traversal. So here we have created one circular singly linked list with the node 100, 200 and 300. So here we're going to call the first node as the head. Now let's just see how we can traverse the list. So here we're going to create one function to traverse the list, and we're going to print the data of all the nodes. So we're going to call the function print list. So the function will take one struct node type pointer head. Now inside the function, first of all, we're going to check if the list is empty or not. So if the head is equal null, that means the list is empty. So in that case, we're just gonna print list is empty, and then we're gonna return. Otherwise, if the list is not empty, in that case, we're gonna create this temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. So let's just create the struct node temporary pointer which will initially point to the head. Now we have to use one loop to traverse the whole list. So here we're going to use the do while loop. So first of all, inside the do block, we're going to print the data of the node. So we're going to access the temp data. So we're going to print the data of the node, and then we're going to move the temp to the temp next. That means we're going to move the temporary pointer to the next node, and then we're going to have the condition. So we're going to continue this loop until the temporary pointer moves back to the head. So we're going to continue the loop as long as the temporary pointer does not become equal to the head. So when the temporary pointer comes back to the head, that means we have traversed the whole list. And at the end of the loop, we're just going to simply print head. So here let's now print the nodes of the circular singly linked list. So we're going to call the function print list, and here inside we're going to pass the head pointer. So you can see the circular singly linked list has the node 100, then 200 and then 300, and after that we are back to the head node. So this is the way we can traverse one circular singly linked list. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.